Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and I have Nishant with me. So you would have seen him with me on the cycling trips. So today we are going to do a circuit training. So we are going to do 5 major parts. We are going to do 2 cycles of it. Both the cycles are different. For the same part, it is a different exercise. So we're going to do 2 different exercises of the same part, but the video is going to be split into 2. This 5 and the next 5 exercise. We're going to do 15 reps of each exercise, and we're going to do it non-stop. We're going to go continuous, and then finally we're going to use only one equipment. That's the equipment which we're going to use, except for the abs part. We can use that for the abs part as well, but today we're going to avoid that. We will see. We might use that. So watch till the end. Right? So watch what Nishant is doing today and how we are training him. The first exercise is going to be squats. So he's loading the weights, then go into a deep squat, pause, come up, go down, come up. That's 15 reps of that. Okay, non-stop. Awesome. Though it's just 5 exercises, it's going to be super intense. You'll realize that once you start doing this. And it's just 15 reps. It'll feel like hell while doing this. It's an intense exercise. So this is the part 1, and the first exercise is for the legs, which is the squats. Okay, now he's going to get into a deadlift. Okay, so split your legs a little bit and go. Keep your chest up, keep your chest up. Scrape your feet and come up. Scrape your feet with the weight all the way down and come up. Look up, keep your chest up. Bring your butt down, keep your chest up. All right, good. So again, 15 reps. It's not easy. Try it out and you will know. Okay, you're bending your back, so you need to keep your butt down, chest up. Butt down, chest up. Good. Good. Butt down, chest up. The biggest part in this is holding on to the rod for 15 into 5. Okay, which is quite intense. Yeah. Yeah, there goes. He's loaded it again. Now for the shoulders. Shoulder press. Squat a little bit. Yes, good. Engage core. Press. Don't put your back. Engage your core. Good. Awesome. So that's another 15 reps of shoulders. Amazing. Awesome. It is tough. It is tough. No jokes. Okay. So. All right. Next is the bench. So 15 reps. I put him on a bench. You can do it on the floor as well. I wanted his an inclined bench, so I put him on a bench. That's 15 reps. So there goes 15 reps. So I'll have to pause to take off the weights from him. So once he's finished, he's going to, yeah, there he comes. Okay, there goes the row. So, yeah. So this is the only pause we have taken to set up that thing. The whole idea was to use just one equipment and do all the exercise. So we are trying to teach you just buy one equipment, and you can use a dumbbell as well to do all these exercises in one go. And this is an amazing exercise. So this is a circuit. Okay, we are heading for the ab exercise. It's on the transverse abdominis. Use the same bar. We emptied the weights. If you want, you can load the weights. If it's a smaller bar, the balance is much better. So this is a short bar, so you can use with weights as well. But today I decided to keep Nishant on low weights. Nishant is one person who loads a lot of weight. Yeah, he pushes himself. You've seen him in the cycling trips. He's adamant on pushing himself. It's good. So here he goes with abs. So 15 on each side is what he's doing. It's pretty intense. The weight actually pulls you. You need to stop with your core and engage it. So that's it. Alright guys, that was the first part. That's a 5 exercise you need to do for the circuit. Do 3 sets and you'll see the results. It's amazing burner. It took about 5 minutes to complete the whole thing, and pretty intense. Don't underestimate it. Okay. So totally 15 minutes. So you can take about 3 minutes break after every circuit. So 2 to 3 minutes ideally, and then start again and push it. So you will do say 2, 2. So you add a 5 plus 2, 7, 7 and 7, and the last set is 5 minutes. So it's 14 plus 5. So that 19 minutes, flat 20 minutes, you burn a lot of calories, close to about 600 to 700 calories in that one session. Try it out and let me know. Watch the second part where we're going to do another set of circuit. You can combine these two as well. So watch it and let us know. See you then. Bye.